Hello ELT132, this is Roger Young, and this video has to deal with digital arithmetic pertaining to addition. Specifically, what we're going to do is we're going to add two binary numbers. We have not done this before. Now, if you follow the rules, which I've listed right here, right? All you have to do is follow those rules, and addition should be like falling off a log. Shouldn't be a problem at all. So I have three examples here, A, B, and C, and we're going to do the first one together. And then B, what I'm going to do is allow you to pause this video so you can try it, and then I'm going to do it. And then C, I'm going to, again, pause the video, allow you to try it, and then we're going to do it together. So the first thing, what I'd like to do is just talk about the rules for a minute. When you do addition, there are two things that you have to think about: the sum bit and the carry bit. This is just like addition for decimal numbers that we learned when we were in first and second grade. So the best way to talk about this is by an example. So let's just try A right now. We're going to start with the least significant bit, and we always go to the left, towards the most significant bit. So this first rule, it says 0 plus 0 equals, and there are two things that it equals. You have a carry bit, and you have a sum bit. So let's talk about the sum bit. 0 plus 0 equals, the sum bit is 0. So this is going to be 0. I can draw it here again. Let me do it again. And I'm going to call this is your sum bit row right here. Okay? Now, what's your carry? It says your carry is 0. So your carry, and draw, that represents your carry. It's 0, right? And this up here, that's going to be your carry. All right? Now let's continue. 0 plus 1 plus 1. Well, if we come over here, 1 plus 1, which is what we have here, because 0 is 0, it's like it's not even there. So 1 plus 1, what does that equal? The sum bit is equal to what? 0. So your sum bit is equal to 0. But what's your carry? Your carry here, that's equal to 1. Get it? Now we're in this column. 1 plus 0 plus 0. Well, here you have it. 1 plus 0. What does that equal? Well, the sum bit is equal to 1. And your carry, your carry bit is equal to 0. So I'm going to draw a 0 up here, right? Now we have 0 plus 0 plus 1. Isn't that the same as 1 plus 0? I'm sure you can convince yourself of that, right? So what's that equal to? Sum bit is equal to 1. Carry, we just did 1 plus 0. Carry is equal to 0. And 0 plus 1, we have it right here. The sum bit is equal to 1. There is no carry. You can actually draw it if you want. You can just draw it over here. It's 0. And you can bring it on down if you need to. It's a 0, right? So here's your result. All right? Remember, when we talk about the sum bit, that is this area right here, right? And your carry is up on top. Now, you notice what I did. Every single column regardless if there was a carry, regardless if the carry was 0 or 1, I showed it. The thing you have to watch out for is you can have a problem if you don't write this down, forgetting if you had a carry or not. So it's always good to include it if you have a carry or not. So at this point, why don't we pause? You pause the video and give problem B a go, and then turn it back on, and we'll do it. Okay, everyone, I assume you paused the video and you gave problem B a try, so let's go through it. 1 plus 0. Let's see, what do we have? 1 plus 0. The sum bit is 1, and your carry bit is 0. Now we have 0 plus 1 plus 1. Well, we can use this rule right here. 1 plus 1, the sum bit is equal to 0. And the carry, sum bit is equal to 0, and the carry is equal to 1. Right? Now we can use the same rule again. We have 1 plus 1. What is that? 1 plus 1. Well, the sum bit is equal to 0. And the carry bit is equal to 1. I should actually draw this, right? Sorry about that. Now we have 1 plus 0 plus 0. Well, we can use this rule right here. 1 plus 0, the sum bit is 1. And the carry is 0, right? Now, let's do the last one here. This is the fun one. We have 1 plus 1. You see that this is 1 plus 1 plus 0. Well, if you discard 0, it's 1 plus 1. You can use this rule right here. So the sum bit would equal 0. And then you're going to have a carry of 1. Right? Put a little 1 up here. And then I'm going to just bring it down here. So there's your result right there. All right? All right, everyone. Let's look at problem C. Why don't you pause the video now and give it a go, and then turn it back on when you're ready. Hello, everyone. I assume you gave problem C a try. Let's get to it. So 1 plus 1. What rule are we going to use here? Oh, look at this. Let's use this rule right here. 1 plus 1. Sum bit is 0. And what's your carry? Your carry is a 1. 1. Now, we haven't seen this yet. We have a 1 plus a 1 plus a 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1. That gives you a sum bit of 1 and a carry of 1. See that? Now I have 1 plus 0, which is rule 2. That gives you a sum bit of 1 and a carry of 0. And then 0 plus 0 plus 0, that has a sum bit of 0. And it has a carry of 0. You can bring it down if you want. In this case, obviously, we're just padding it. You don't have to, but there you go. I hope this video has been helpful to teach you how to add binary numbers. If you have to add more than one binary number, suppose you have to add 3 binary numbers, you just add them 2 at a time. All right? So if you know how to add 2 binary numbers, you're in good shape. All right, folks, that's the discussion on the addition rules here for digital arithmetic. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you soon.